This could be your only power adapter. But this is how you charge at the moment. Too much hassle. You can make charging much simpler. One adapter is all you need. An adapter that fits anywhere and charges everything. One adapter for all. One for all. This could be you traveling overseas. And we understand that it could be too much hassle just to charge up. But now, you can make charging much more compatible and simple. Switching the plugs is all you need. Just plug in and get powered up anywhere. Stay connected anywhere. Be compatible everywhere you go. No time to charge up? With the fast charging technology, charging is now as fast as it's ever been. 30 minutes is all you need. With just a power nap, you'll have the entire day. Fully energized, fully powered, fully charged. All done within a few moments. Save time with Innergie 45H. The adapter that we take with us everywhere. Innergie. Mobile power made better.